One of those things I didn't think was possible in Excel, but we figured it out, and we are extracting keywords from lists of text and showing the keyword frequency, and it's pretty cool how we did it. So it starts with just like a list of comments, text, whatever. Each of these are an entry with random text. And then using this formula right here to split out each individual word down as far as we need to go. We have some word length limitations here. I think it's about 50-ish, maybe 60 words, but it's still a pretty decent amount of text that you can split up. Then I'm using this index function here. You can pause if you want to grab that. And what it's doing is going through every single cell in our range and taking each individual word, even the blank ones, and putting them all in an individual column. Then we're just using the unique function, referencing this column here all the way down, and it's just grabbing the unique terms included throughout that entire section, that entire column. And finally, we're doing a count if, and it's just going down all of these. And then I just added this little step because every once in a while it has a hiccup. It has like a million references because it's just looking at all the cells. So I've just done it if greater than a million, then just put a 0. Now on a separate tab, I've created a table. And the table is just pointing to everything in that other section, one cell at a time. So it's just going down that whole list of unique terms and counts and just pointing and grabbing the values. Is important because this allows us to start filtering things. So in this case, I'm grabbing, say, the top 50 items so that we have the keywords that are mentioned most frequently. I found that 50 tends to be enough, but you could put as many as you want in here. And that then spits out this chart, which shows every single keyword or every single word used, every unique word, and the count of the times that it was used across every single comment, every single one of those cells that has text in it. And that chart is just showing everything that's in this table I showed in the last step. That's all we're doing. Overall, this is pretty cool that you can do all of this without any VBA, no plugins, no custom coding. I see a lot of people installing add-ins so that they can do like word clouds and stuff, but there's definitely the ability to do pretty decent keyword extraction and then counts for keyword mentions just right in Excel using standard Excel features. If you want a copy of this one, I'll probably send it out on the newsletter at some point in the future, so you're welcome to go snag it there. It's all over on my profile. That's all for now. Thanks, folks. Bye.